Tummy Time 101, a quick guide for parents. Let's walk through the basics to make sure you're doing it safely and effectively. When to start. Beginning tummy time around 5 or 6 weeks old, unless advised otherwise by your healthcare provider. Starting early helps your baby build the strength they need for future milestones. How to position your baby. Number 1, start on a firm surface. Place your baby on a safe, firm surface, such as a playmat or a blanket on the floor. A firm surface ensures proper spinal and postural development. Number 2, how you lay your baby down matters. Always place your baby with the ribs gently resting down parallel with the pelvic floor. Think of their trunk like a sandwich with the rib cage and the pelvis forming the top and the bottom. Avoid placing your baby down with their belly arched, as this disrupts natural alignment. A neutral position helps activate the diaphragm and encourage a healthy core connection and supports early milestones. Number 3, hand placement. Using the heart position of your hands, we're going to place your index finger and your middle finger on the baby's shoulders to provide a gentle support and alignment downward. The outside of your hand is going to help scoop and align the elbow. The alignment of the elbow will be aligned with the shoulders at around 90 degrees angle or slightly above. This position is ideal for a baby that's 5 to 6 weeks of age. Number 5, progression. As your baby grows and gains more postural control, or usually around 3 months, their elbows will naturally move forward as their hands begin to open. This is a sign of healthy progression. How often? You want to aim for 7 tummy time sessions per day, ideally after you change the baby's diaper, but not after feeding the baby. Even a few minutes at a time can make a big difference. Want to learn more? Watch my video series on correct tummy time position to see it all in action. Click here to explore my course and give your baby the best start possible and feel more confident in every step of your parenting journey.